Yeah, we will be. He's doing some random stuff. What happens? Oh, yeah. Okay. So today I'll be showing you. Hold up, wait a minute. Play this too much. Yeah, don't mind me deleting stuff. Let me just watch. This.
Are you recording?
Oh, yeah. Anyways. I'm gonna just do. No, you can watch my thing on YouTube when I post it. Yo, hurry up! Yo, what? There we go! You don't mind, I'm in my room. So, alright, let's play this. So I'm showcasing you my tornado. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I just heard a vine. Boomers. Weird thing, I don't know what to call it, but shh. Okay, they do here. Oh, okay. So this is tornado research team. What? Anyways, as I was saying, this is tornado research team. What? Yo, get out! Sorry about you guys. Anyways, we'll have this thing intercept. Cause why the hell not? Okay. 100. Oh shoot! Yo, it's actually sliding. Okay, it's stable. It's good. And gets lifted. Next vehicle. 0. I did an update on this vehicle. It's more aerodynamical, but who cares? No, I won't open the door. What's the point? Spikes, go very deep into the ground. Surviving 200, 300. Okay, it's surviving. It's surviving. 200. Okay. 201. 260. Oh wait, it's struggling. I just was a bit bored, so I just changed the direction of speed. 270. Okay, we'll just make it with 30. If you hear that, that is not me editing. That thing is from my cousin Moses. That's at my house. Nice. Now we got this thing. Well, TRT. Very cool. Deploy. Activate this or not. I'm gonna keep it activated. When threshold is 300. No, 200. 30. Showcase button that button activates. That button activates. No, deploys the vehicle. Vehicle very hard to lift. Firework. Cannon. Intercepting time. This is what happens. Yeah, so you have to oh shoot. Oh wait, leave? Yeah, Melon. Even though it did not survive, it would probably yeah. Oh wait, get out. Next we have Scout. We have a Scout vehicle. Yeah. There's these probes called top hat probes, custom probes. Yeah. It also has spikes like several kills. It can surprisingly survive winds greater than 100. Very simple. Place down probe. And get the hell out of here before the tornado gets you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Also got this vehicle. It's, well, mostly carried by its weight. It's mostly carried by its weight. Why? I do not care. Bonk. Alright, that's you, boy. Tornado. Cool. Next. After got this cool scanner. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Goodbye.